Alright, it's Western Virginia. Got my Uncle Joe right behind me. And it's Friday, December 6th. We're out here at a Colonial spot. We've done really well out here. So hopefully today we'll find some relics. They finally cut the beans. They cut them last week. So this is opened up for the season. And this is all Colonial. I mean, everything out here. This is mid 1600s through like the mid 1700s. We have found some Civil War stuff mixed in here, but we're in Southeast Virginia, so you're gonna find that. So anyway, it's nice out here. Wind's a little breezy, but not too bad. It's a little overcast. Supposed to be in the mid 50s today, so stand by and we'll hopefully find some cool stuff. Thanks a lot. All right, first target that's worth anything. This is a broken spectacle buckle. This is mid 1600s, so this is what we're looking for, but just intact. But they're hard to find intact. But anyway, that's definitely a broken spectacle type buckle. So that's definitely Colonial. All right, thanks a lot. All right, well, I've gotten to a pretty heavy iron patch and dug just a ton of lead shot. I mean, that's very common on Colonial sites, but I've dug probably 20 pieces of lead shot in various sizes and stuff like that. But here we have what was a nice buckle, probably a shoe buckle. You could tell it was decorative at one time, but it wasn't too deep. But I dug some deep iron, did a little bit of probing in a couple of holes, and nothing came out of it. So anyway, we'll go see what my uncle's been finding. He's using my Equinox, so see what he's got. But anyway, very slow, but nevertheless, you know, push on. Thanks a lot. You dig a mini ball right there?
Right there where your metal is.
Look!
Started walking
At that shoe buckle. That is beautiful, Joe. You're still getting used to the pinpointing on that.
Yeah.
So
I'm only.
It was still.
But it was
a good 9 inches though.
Yeah.
Came up with 20.
Came up.
That is gorgeous. Gorgeous shoe buckle.
If you like shoe buckles.
Yeah, I like them when they're like 1720. And the house, they don't make any sense because the house is over there. There's no question the iron is over there. And there may be one where I found that Spanish coin that day.
Throw my other one over here.
Oh yeah, I forgot about that one.
My treasures.
I don't have nothing but low conductors and round balls and a ton of that lead shot.
Yeah.
Gosh.
I found a couple 22 bullets.
Yeah, I've gotten a couple 22s. Go back over that hole, Joseph.
I will.
Oh my gosh. That is, oh. I'm jealous there. That is beautiful. I'll get it anyway one day.
This thing is...
You didn't catch that, did you? I thought I'll get it one day anyway.
Yeah.
Wow. Man. Well, believe it or not, it's my first button, and this place usually cranks out about 10 to 15 up to 20 buttons every time we come out and hunt. I guess we're really doing our job, but still a lot of areas that I know we haven't hit, but might be time to move on. That was deep too. It's, gosh, way over the pinpointer. So you can see I'm super deep. Alright, thanks a lot. Alright, I think I got a button here. See it right here. Yeah, it's gonna be a little like a little cuff button. I don't think there's anything else on it. Alright. And old Joe's over there. Alright, got another button. Whew, tell you what, the relics are being stingy today. They are just not coming out. I don't know why. I found some pottery along the wood line there, all those wax myrtles, and some brick, but just no iron. Just, I don't know. But popped out in the field because this was where most of the pottery shards were. I don't know. I can't quite figure it out. Alrighty. Old Joe's down there swinging.